Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on iCloud contacts and confirming a fresh backup. This preserves originals. Next, sign into the Gmail account you want to receive contacts. Use two-factor authentication if enabled so the connection is secure. Once signed in, open Google Contacts on a computer or install the app on your device. This first step ensures you can access both sources. Make sure both accounts are reachable. Otherwise, you can't export or import data. You'll now move the contacts out of iCloud, sign into iCloud.com and open Contacts. Select either all or the group you need, then use the gear menu to export a vCard, VCF. This single file contains all selected entries, preserving phone numbers, emails, and labels. Once you save the VCF to your computer, open Google Contacts in the same browser session. The export step is crucial because Gmail accepts standard VCF imports, so you don't lose formatting or groups. You finish by importing the VCF into Google Contacts. Choose Import and upload the file you exported. Once done, use Google's Merge and Fix tool to remove duplicates and reconcile conflicting entries. This step keeps your list clean. Then, on your phone, add or enable the same Gmail account under Settings, right arrow Contacts, and toggle Sync on. Finally, open Contacts to confirm entries appear. If some contacts don't show, force a sync or re-import the VCF. That usually fixes missed records.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.